Exploring the beauty of language, a symphony of sounds. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, specifically the phrase, a symphony of sounds. This expression paints a vivid picture using just a few words, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. A symphony of sounds is an idiomatic expression that refers to a rich and complex mixture of sounds. The key word here is symphony, which is a type of classical music composed for an orchestra. Symphonies are known for their complex structures and the harmonious blend of different instruments. When we describe something as a symphony of sounds, we're comparing it to this musical masterpiece, suggesting that the sounds are harmonious, varied, and beautifully arranged, even if they're not actual music. This phrase is often used to describe environments or scenes where multiple sounds come together in a way that is pleasant or striking to the listener. For example, a busy city street might be described as a symphony of sounds with the buzz of conversation, the hum of traffic, and the occasional melody of street performers. It's a great way to add color and depth to your descriptions, making them more vivid and engaging for the listener or reader. 1. Descriptive writing. Use it to enrich your descriptive writing, painting a more vivid picture of scenes or settings. 2. Poetic language. Incorporate it into poetry or creative writing to add a lyrical quality to your work. 3. Everyday conversations. Use it in everyday conversations to express appreciation for complex auditory experiences, like nature walks or bustling markets. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Waking up in the countryside, I was greeted by a symphony of sounds. Birds chirping, leaves rustling, and a distant brook babbling. The kitchen was alive with a symphony of sounds as the family prepared dinner together, laughter mixing with the sizzle of cooking. Walking through the festival, the symphony of sounds from various music stages, food stalls, and crowds created an unforgettable atmosphere. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, a symphony of sounds, and how it can be used to enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about communicating, it's also an art form, and expressions like these allow us to paint with words. So, don't be afraid to experiment and use them in your own unique way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.